charge in the rear. So right here, I don't have to walk everywhere. I don't have to get down here. Get under your shoulder. Make sure it's okay. Got water. Okay. So now, what I want to do, I want to climb. So what I can do, I was showing the other guys. You want to have the strap up there. So that was what was in the book, right?
Sure,
so you want to tie it off. So you can do one of two things. You could either put it in your jacket, or you can hook it here and take it up. It doesn't matter, okay? As long as this thing goes up there and you're hooked, you're tied off. So what I'm going to do is, say I tie it this way, what could happen? As I'm going,
Come on.
right?
Yeah.
You guys see the difference? Because it's biting on itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you take it up this way, you can either hold on to it, slide it up here, hold on to it like this, carry it up. It doesn't matter. You can slide it, your hand on the beam, or you can go up like this. It don't matter, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if I can get one guy to kind of feed the hose to me, I'll show you. We'd have a guy putting the ladder, but I want you guys to see.
Would I be feeding you from the inside or from the outside?
Just from the outside right here. Just hold on to this part right here. Okay. When I start climbing, and the guy that's feeding, don't push where you're pushing the knob. You just want. So I got 4 points of contact, right?
Yes, sir.
So when I get up here, I want to lock in. I don't want to lock in right here where the pulley's at, where the slide section's at, okay? You see why? I have this.
It'll be in your knee, behind your knee.
I got that. I got this pulley right here, right? How much room I have right here? Not that much. Versus right here, right?
Yes,
I got
sir.
one. I got this whole section.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I get right here. I'm locked in. Now I can take my hands off, right? I get the hose. How far in?
About a foot, sir.
Okay, I get the hose. Now I put it against my body. It ain't going nowhere. Now what I can do, I hook this. You guys all see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm able to work, right? So what happens if I'm right here? I can't go that far, right?
No.
I'm kind of limited. So if I'm out here, I can go this way, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm done. Shut down water. So we all clear? Shut down water. Okay. The water shut down. I'm still locked in. So now I can take this off. I can leave that hook on if I want, or I can put it off into my jacket. What I'd like for you guys to do is jump. Go ahead and bleed it right here. Now I got 4 points of contact, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I can come down.
Off left.
That's it. So, and then when we're done, this right here, okay? Any questions? So, let's kind of do a quick review. So we pull it out, clear the bed, bring the nozzle, drop it right here, grab your loop. This is what you want, okay? We don't want to have it on this side because now what we're doing, we're crossing over the ladder, right? Okay. We We want it all on this side. So go straight up. The nozzle man is going to rotate to split the ladder. Okay, and then whoever the next guy up, he can start feeding. What I like is the last 2 or 3 guys just stay on the, you don't have to put your jackets on, just stay so we can keep this thing going, so we're loading, okay? So when we pull that front pre-connect there, after you're done, I want you guys to move it off to the side there and start draining it this way. When we do this one, take it out that way and start draining it that way. We can just keep rotating, okay?
Yes, sir.
So when, as he's coming down, you guys need to break it right here. And just take it off to the side. Start draining it. Alrighty?
Yes, sir.
You can just leave the nozzle on and you can